This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open a browser on a device connected to Pldt and type 192.168.1.1. Press enter and wait for the login prompt to appear. Sign in using the router username and password printed on the device sticker. If credentials do not work, locate the tiny reset hole and press with a paperclip for 10 seconds. Allow the router to reboot fully before reconnecting. Use a wired Ethernet cable for stability when making configuration changes to avoid accidental disconnect. After logging in, open the wireless menu and choose the 4 GHz or 5 GHz band. Search the advanced settings for options labeled Wi-Fi scanner, network scan, or neighbor scan. Toggle the scanner option to off and confirm the change in the interface. Click Save or Apply to store the new configuration on the router. Reboot the router using the Administration or System menu to ensure the scanner stops running, and the new setting takes effect across all wireless radios. If you cannot find a scanner toggle, use MAC filtering to block unwanted devices from connecting. Disable WPS and UPnP in the Security or Advanced menus to reduce automated scanning risks. Check for and install router firmware updates in the administration area to get improved controls and bug fixes. If changes still do not remove the scanner, contact Pldt support and request remote assistance or a technician visit. Keep notes of firmware versions and steps you already tried when you call support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.